Today I'm going to show you how to record or create your own recipe on Cookidoo. We're going to do grapefruit gin fizz cocktail, because who doesn't like a cocktail? So if you go into cookidoo.com.au and sign into your account, under my recipes you will find the created recipes. So I haven't put many in here, but I want to add this one. So at the bottom right corner, hand corner, is a green plus sign, and you can either import a recipe from Recipe Community or you can create your own recipe. So we're going to give it a title. I'm going to call it Grapefruit Cocktail and say create. So now it's going to give me a few options. We can upload an image. So I've created or took an image of my cocktail when I made it last night. There we go, found it. Alright, so we're going to open that image and you can adjust it as you wish. Maybe even drag it in a bit. Alright. Our image is over there. Now you can add a device. So this one can be made by anything, but I'll just leave it with the TM6. Preparation time, I'm going to say 2 minutes. Total time, maybe 5 minutes. And portion size, this one I'll say, let's say 2. Depends on how much you want to drink. Alright, so now you can add your ingredients and literally just type in whatever you need. So it's 30 grams of grapefruit, you can change the order of the ingredients or you can delete the ingredient. We can add something else. I want another 30 grams of grapefruit, the juice only. Then want to add also 3 heaped tablespoons of icing sugar. Would help if you can spell. Then we're also going to add 50 milliliters of lemon juice cordial. Actually, we can make it 50 grams. We're also going to add 60 grams of gin, 250 grams of ice, and the last ingredient is about 350 grams of soda water. Alright, so that's all done. Now we can add our first step. So in the first step, we want to add you can change your steps, you can delete your steps. We want to add 30 grams of grapefruit. Then we can add a scale to this one. Oops. Alright, So by pressing the scale, it will actually drag our ingredient in there. We can also add, so I'm going to take that out. So we've got 30 grams of grapefruit, then we're going to add 30 grams of grapefruit juice only. We're also going to add 3 heaped tablespoons of icing sugar. We're going to add our lemon juice cordial, our gin, and also the ice. So once you've added all of those, we're going to add another step. In this one, we say mix in well, let's just say mix all at. Now we're going to put steps in. So it's going to be 25 seconds, no temperature, at speed 9. We add another step, is to add the last ingredient, which is the soda water, and that we're going to mix for 5 seconds at speed 4. And that's done. So that's all of that. And I might just add the last one. Pour into glasses and enjoy. And that's my recipe. So I'm going to confirm the recipe. See that all my steps are there. If you have any hints and tips, you can add them here. And that's done. Just click done. Now when I go to my Thermomix, my recipe will be there and I'll be able to step through the recipe. Alright, I want to show you on the Thermomix screen what it looks like now. So if you go into my recipes, created recipes, we'll have the grapefruit cocktail there. So if I tap on that, it'll open up and it'll show you all the ingredients and the preparation steps. So if we say start cooking, you can tap on the arrow and it'll give you the ingredients. As soon as you touch one of the ingredients, it'll list all of them there. So you can measure them all in and tear it in between. Once you've done all of those, we can go to the next step. Tap on that and it will put your time and your speed in there for you. Go to next. You can add your soda water, it'll bring up your scales, and then next again, it'll give you your speed and your time. Once that's done, you can click the cross and just say next, pour into glasses and enjoy your dish. So that is how you can make your own recipe into a guided cooking recipe. Enjoy your cooking and can't wait to see what you create on your Thermomix.